okay?
अस्सलामुअलैकुम, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। उम्मीद है सब ठीक होंगे। आज मैं आपके साथ एक नया व्लॉग लेके आई हूँ और वो व्लॉग है अभियान की बर्थडे का। जी हाँ जी, अभियान मेरा बेटा जो 6 साल का माशाल्लाह से हो चुका है और आज हम उसकी 6th बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करने वाले हैं। उसके ज़ोरों से उसकी बहुत फरमाइश थी कि उसका बर्थडे मैकडोनल्ड में सेलिब्रेट किया जाए, तो इसीलिए आज हम जा रहे हैं। मैं जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं मैं रेडी हूँ और अब हम जा रहे हैं मैकडोनल्ड में। और चलिए आज मैं आपको क्या क्या पार्टीज़ में हम करते हैं, क्या किड्स इंजॉय करते हैं और कैसे करते हैं वो सब मैं आपको बताऊंगी। लेकिन उससे पहले आप जाइए स्टाइल के साथ को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि आपको मेरा ये पूरा व्लॉग मिल सके। Yes, it's my son's birthday and here all the mummies are very excited. Now we are about to reach to the McDonald's. Here we are. Yes, Abhiyan is desperately waiting for his friends. He's very excited. He gonna meet with his best friend. You have to tell me how
And everyone feels right.
On the wall. Repeat dancing.
Who wants gift? Say me. Who wants to play? Okay, Ella. Come here. Go for it.
you don't have voices?
Yeah.
My
Okay.
God, they don't have voices.
Ella. So are you ready to play?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so sing. Happy birthday song. Okay, so are you ready? We will sing. Everybody will sing. Okay. All right. Okay. So, all right. Ready? Are you ready? Okay. 3, 2. Is it for your life? Is it for your life? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Let me clap our hands. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ayan. Again! Happy birthday to you. Faster! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ayan. Okay, so once again, happy birthday, Ayan. Okay, can everyone to come here. Yala, all the kids come here and we will take a photo. Yala. Hurry up. Please. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Ayan. Okay, who wants to play? Who wants to play? Who wants to play? Energy, who wants to play? Okay, last, are you ready now?
Yeah.
Come here slowly and make a big circle. Hurry up. Okay, big circle. Big circle. Chicken burger, huh? Chicken burger. Okay. Chicken burger? Chicken burger? Huh? Okay, it's okay. For chicken burger, 4, 5, 6, 7 chicken burger. Okay, kids, all your drinks is apple juice, okay? Okay, drinks is apple juice. Okay, as I've said, we will dance first before we will play, and there is a prize for the best dancer. Okay? So, all right, hands up, shake your hands, hello, shake, shake. Okay. You know the dance Arab Samsam dance?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. So we will dance Arab Samsam. Okay? Hello, hands up, hands up. Shake your hands, hands up. So we will dance. Yala. Okay, hands up, hands up. Abian! Can we clap our hands? Okay. Big circle. 1, 2, yala. Big circle. Move backward, move back. Okay.
Yeah, we get again. You will get again the prize. Yeah, because it's my birthday.
Chair. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Come on. Can we clap our hands for Abdurrahman? Yeah, good job, Abdurrahman. And what's your name? Bro. All right. For those, Yala, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. What's up? What's up? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay. Again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, it's Abian, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Everybody want chocolate. Put your hands. Everybody want chocolate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you so much, Abian. Sit down. Oh, good job. That was it. Okay, can we clap our hands once for Ahad? Okay, sit down. Cheers. Okay, so now how many chairs do we have? 2. Are you ready? Okay, let's go.
Go back. I want to make
Oh.
I'm making video.
What's your name?
about me.
Sit down here. Sit down. Okay. Yeah, now, so this time, we will know who will gonna win. Okay? Alright. So, Okay.
Whose birthday today?
Bro. Put me the...
Ahil's birthday? Today is Ahil's birthday?
Okay.
Eyeshadow.
Okay, and how about... Go there, transfer. Okay, so what will happen? Okay, what's the winner? My bro! Our house for Ryan! Okay, my bro. Alright. My name is Uncle Jonel. What's my name? And we have here also Uncle Krishna. Can you say hi to Uncle Krishna? He's from Nepal, okay? And me from Philippines. We are both working here in Asensal, okay? So can you say hi? Oh, okay. Are you ready to play? To me, okay? Line to me here, in this line. When I say no, you have to jump and line here. Okay? To Uncle Krishna. Alright? Yalla. When I say yes and you are here, you will be out. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Ready? Yes!
Yes.
Line here?
Yes.
One line here. Hurry up. It should be fast, okay? Fast, faster. Okay. Yes! Oh, what's that? One. What's your name? And? Nice, Ahel. Okay, let's sit down. Thank you. Can we come around again? Okay. Yes! Yes! Whose birthday tonight? Abian. So we will give one chance to Abian. Yala, come here, Abian. Stay in the line. Okay? Yes, I will become no. Okay? Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, no. Who is that? Who's out? Okay, very good. They are safe. All of them are safe. Okay? Yala, again. No. Yes.
Easy.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can we clap our hands for them? Okay, sit down. Oh, what's up? Yeah. We have a win. Stand up, all the kids. Yes, all the kids. Okay, look, listen. Kids, this game is what we call Ronald McDonald Bring Me. Okay? When I say Ronald McDonald Bring Me, you have to shout what. Okay? What are you gonna shout? What? Okay. When I say Ronald McDonald Bring Me, bring me. Bring me? Okay, and when I say Ronald McDonald bring me 1 real, you have to run to your mommy and get 1 real, and Uncle Krishna will give you gift. Okay? Alright, so mommies, prepare your bags. Mommy, prepare your bags. Okay, prepare your bags. Okay, it's okay.
It's okay, I
It's
give
okay,
you.
it's okay. All of you will receive a gift for this game. Okay? Yeah. Okay, that's good. Alright. Ronald McDonald, bring me! Bring me! Bring me! Bring me! Bring me here! 1 real! Yellow! 1, 2, 3. Okay, come here. This one, bro.
Take.
Okay,
Move on.
return it to your mommy. Okay, look. After you take the money, return it to your mommy. That? Everyone have? Okay. Kids, please return the shoes to your mommy. Your mommy. This time, okay? Sticker. Okay. Yalla. Are you ready? Okay. Ronald McDonald, bring me! Bring me! Bring me! Bring me! Bring me here.
What is it?
Just wait. Bring me here your... Wait.
What? Are you
Okay, wait.
What
Bring me here
Can
your...
you start it?
Dancing mommy! Yalla, dancing! Yalla, dancing mommy! Dance, mommy! Bring me! Bring me! Bring me! Bring me here. What do you want? Easy or hard? Easy. One. Three. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring me. Bring me. Bring me here. Abian's mommy, Ella, bring me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. All right. One more. Are you ready? Ella, come here, all the kids. Sit down. 7, 8, 9,
Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down.
10. Okay, thank you so much for sitting down. I just want you to sit down actually. Okay. Wow. Okay, so this time I want all the mommy. Okay. Ella, make a line. Line like that. Okay, so mommies, we will play the hip hip hooray. Okay? So this is very support your mommy, yes, support your mommy. Okay, ready, hip hip hooray. Faster, okay? Hip hip hooray, hooray. Oh, what's up? What's your name, madam? Kaja, come here, right, madam. So one out. Okay, ready. Hooray. Mashallah. Hip hip hooray. Hooray. Hip hip hooray. 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 Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray. Hooray. What's your name, ma'am? There, come here, come here, ma'am. Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray. Hooray. So what I will do is hip hip hooray. Okay, I will just hip hip. All right. Hip hip hooray. Hooray. What's your name, ma'am? Basta, kami ka hands on, basta. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, ready? Yeah. Just put this on something. Okay, ready? Hooray. Hip hip. Okay, ready? Hip hip. Hooray. Hip hip. Hooray. Hooray. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hooray. Hip hip. Hooray. 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 Hip hip. Hip hip. Hooray. Hip hip. Hooray. 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 And kick.
Happy birthday, सोते में
Happy birthday, Abian. Okay, Abian. Close your eyes and make a wish. At the count of 3, blow your candle. Okay, Ella, close your eyes. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ella, make a wish. Make a wish first. What's your wish? You can share it to us or you can keep it to yourself.
Protect us. Come on.
What's your wish?
Say. What do you say?
I want everybody to love me.
Oh, that we got hands for Abian. Okay, Ella, Abian. And the count of 3 and blow your candle. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Blow your candle. Yes! Can we clap our hands again? Okay. So, can I invite the mommy here? Can I invite the mommy here? Alright, so mommy, I want you to make a wish for your son.
Give my son long.
Okay, can you clap our hands for the mommy? Alright. So, once again, happy birthday, Abian. Okay.
Happy birthday,
Okay, Mommy, can you take a photo first? Okay, can someone please take a photo for the Mommy and Abian?
Abian, ilagan.
Yes,
like this.
Ruth, you will be here. Mom, you will be there inside. The mascot will be here. Go there.
Okay?
Okay, it's okay. Alright. Okay, Lara, take a photo for them. Alright, then after that, all the kids will go inside, okay? Okay. Yala, say bye-bye to Hambi! Alright. Okay, ma'am. Yes, Asma. For the birthday of Abian.
What? Musa, Musa?
Anil? Si Anil?
Master Anil, yes.
Master Anil. Mashallah, Master Anil. This is Abdul Rahman.
Kagana, ma'am.
Next